Shalom, Shalom family. This is the elder come with some smothered potatoes right now. Trying to get them done. Got bell peppers, got red peppers, we got chicken sausages, got a little corn in there, onions, got a little garlic. Yeah, this is just a little short video. We're gonna try to come with a live stream later on. But right now the elder trying to get his belly full. Yeah, they do a little smothered potatoes right now. Kind of hungry, you know. I'm gonna start doing a lot of cooking videos. That's right. But family, we're gonna cut this video short. Peace and love. The elder's about to get down with the nitty gritty. Love y'all, family. Stay tuned for that live stream coming up. I think I'm gonna do it on my backup channel, The Bible of Truth 1948. Because I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna post this on both of my channels. Peace and love, and I'm out.